I'm back with another video, and basically I'm gonna just spend the weekend with me in LA. This is my first week here for my internship, and I'm excited. So this weekend I'm gonna just try to find stuff to do just to keep myself busy because I be bored. Because yeah, so I found this place because I've been wanting an acai bowl, and this place is so good. Like, I've never had acai bowl this good. I already dug into it.
What is that?
But it's so good. Like, so good. No exaggeration. 10 out of 10. It's loaded. It was not stingy with the fruit, the toppings. Mm. Chef's kiss. Alright, y'all. So now I'm at Dave's Hot Chicken. Show y'all how they look. I got hot. I'm really scared. Yeah, it's so hot. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh yeah. The fries are super good. I will come here just for the fries. The chicken is so hot. It is so hot. I can't breathe. This is the ranch. So I'm gonna try this. Yeah, I don't even really eat sauces like that, so I did a little bit. It's still hot. Ooh, this chicken is hot to the point where I can't even eat it. Crazy, the fries. Okay, y'all, so made it back in the house. I'm gonna call it a night. Tomorrow, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm probably gonna do my makeup, get dressed, get cute. I might take some pictures, but I don't know. I'm thinking shopping or just going to a mall or something, because that's what I've been wanting to do, shop. And I don't know, probably find a good little food spot. But stay tuned for tomorrow. I'll be back in the morning. What's up, y'all? It's the next day. So I've been up since like 10, but it's like 12 now and I haven't done anything yet. So I'm trying to decide where I want to go, because I'm either gonna go to Century City Mall or go on Rodeo. And y'all know Rodeo is where the rich people go. Of course, I'm not gonna spend any money because I ain't got it like that, but I'm still go and just look. You know, I'm trying to get it like, I'm trying to feel the vibes of LA. I haven't really felt the vibes yet. I haven't really seen much yet, so it'll be like more like a look, an aesthetic type thing, just to get out the house. Cause I'm really not trying to spend no money anyway. But that'd be cool if I went there. Now Century City is nice. From what I hear, I haven't been nowhere. I've never been to LA before this, y'all. But Century City is supposed to be nice, and they have like regular stores too, like Zara, H&M. They have like regular stores, so if I wanted to shop, I could. But I'm still not really trying to spend no money. Save, not spend. But anyways, I'm just trying to decide which one I want to go to. I know if I go on Rodeo, it's going to be more walking outside. And then Century City is like an actual mall, so I'll be inside. But I don't know. I kind of want to get the outside vibe. So I'm kind of leaning towards Rodeo. But I don't know if I want to go, because I don't want to just be looking and not shopping. But then again, I don't want to spend the money. I don't know. But while I contemplate in my head, I'm going to get dressed. So one of these shirts because it's not really hot outside. So between these two, if I should wear this jumpsuit under one, or if I should wear this corset bodysuit, and then these pants under it. So I think if I wear the orange, I don't really know what shoes I would wear. So I might wear the blue. Like wear my Yeezys. But I still don't know if I want to wear the jumpsuit or this. I feel like if I go to the mall, I'll just wear the jumpsuit. But if I go on Rodeo, I'll probably do this because it's a little more spicy. Got a little more. You feel me? With the pants. I'm going to try it on and y'all tell me how it look. Okay. So I decided to wear the blue top. I did change the bodysuit to this one. And then the pants, the shoes. So I'm gonna be like this. I'm gonna do a silver purse. Actually, I kind of want to wear a big purse because I'm gonna take my tripod. I might wear this. Gonna see how it look. Material girl. Okay, y'all. So this is the fit. I'm wearing this purse because it can fit my tripod in it. It's hanging out a little bit, but it's okay. Shop two. I'm running into stuff. Let me adjust the camera so y'all can see a little bit more. Purse, top, pants, shoes. I'm gonna clean them a little bit if they dirty. Sunglasses, jewelry. It's all over the place, but it's okay. And yeah. And I'm going to Rodeo so I can see what the vibes like. Y'all see me? Okay, y'all, so I made it here and it's so nice. It's beautiful, beautiful. I feel like
my mom's like aunt.
I like the room. Look at this jewelry. It's so pretty, so beautiful.
23.
Yep.
Sendasi. Okay. All the stores. St. Laurent. Bottega. Balenciaga. Yeah. And I'm just here. So y'all, I'm really just out here acting like I know where I'm going. But I don't. I really don't. But it's really nice. I think I'm gonna find somewhere to take some pictures. Not sure where, and then find somewhere to eat. But yeah, I'm not going in those stores because I'm window shopping. Keep it cute. I'm loving it. It's beautiful. It's inspiring. All these nice cars. People out here shopping, living my dream. But it's okay because it'll be me soon. It'll be me. Just wait on it. I'm done walking around. It's really hot. It was not supposed to be this hot today. But I took some cute pictures. And now I'm about to go get some food from this black-owned restaurant. And I'm really looking forward to it. I'm waiting on my Uber to pick me up. My lift. And I'm so hot. It's so hot. Your dog look cute, y'all. I feel like from what I've seen, LA has been a vibe so far. Like I can definitely see myself living here. It's just expensive. There's so many nice cars. I really want that Beamer truck. But I would definitely, from what I've seen so far, I would definitely live here. I would just have to have good money because it is expensive. It's expensive just being a traveler here. So imagine living here for real. Can't imagine. Yeah, I'm getting picked up in a Tesla. I ain't never even been in a Tesla before. Okay, y'all, so I made it back home. I did go get some food from this place called The District at GS, I think. And I got some Alfredo. I took a video, but I didn't vlog because I was sitting at the bar. I was by myself, and like all the workers was like right in front of me, and it was just kind of awkward, so I didn't record. But the food was good. They did mess up my order because I wanted my Alfredo with no vegetables in it, and it had vegetables in it, but it was still good. And I just ate around them and picked them out. I don't know. It's like I start my days early here, and my days be over early. So like I got back home at like 5 o'clock. Nothing else to do. I had been out since 12, so it gave just come home and chill out. So I just been here chilling. Probably gonna watch some TV and just chill out for the night. I did DoorDash some cake, and it is pretty good. Red velvet, of course. And yeah, that's about it for tonight. Tomorrow I'm doing a Pilates class. Real LA girl vibes. But yeah, I'm doing a Pilates class. It's free. So I'm gonna try to vlog that. And whatever else tomorrow brings me. Tomorrow's Father's Day and Juneteenth. I'm not gonna be with my dad, which is kind of sad. I miss my family. And I don't know. That's all I got for now. But I'm gonna try to come up with something to do for tomorrow. And I'm gonna just chill out for the night. So yeah, see y'all in the morning. Good morning, y'all. I did skip out on Pilates because it was a free class, but you had to buy the socks for $16, and then my Uber there was gonna be $25, so it probably would have been $25 back. So I went from being a free class to a $66 class. So I said I'll just stay home. But I did make breakfast. Y'all see my masterpiece with my fancy orange juice glass. Yeah, get into it. So I didn't go to Pilates, but since I didn't go to Pilates, I said I'm gonna find something else to do today. So it's a couple things today to do in LA that I saw on TikTok. Like festival type things for Juneteenth. My nose is stuffed, y'all. So this thing called Black on the Block. I think I'm gonna go there. I think it's from 1 to 8. And here it is not even 12 o'clock yet. So I'm gonna probably go around like 4, probably maybe 5. But just not to get there too early, but not also to get there too late, you know. It's right here. It's the best meal I've had since I've been. Can I see the steam? Probably chill out for a bit until around 4. And I'm gonna let y'all help me get ready again today. Help me figure out what I'm gonna wear. Okay, y'all. It is officially, what time? It's 4:08. I've been in the bed all day. So it's time for me to get up and get out and get cute. So today I'm going to Black on the Block. I know I look crazy right now, but it's okay because I'm going to. So basically, I'm just gonna go out and be social, get out the house, get out the bed, whatever. I don't even know what I want to wear. So I wore my blue shirt yesterday, so I don't really want to wear a button up. But I kind of want to wear my jumpsuit today. This mesh shirt. I don't know what to wear with it. Maybe my jeans and some Crocs and my green Crocs. I'm gonna try it on, see how I look, and then y'all let me know. But I was also thinking, if that doesn't work out, I could just wear my Skims shirt with some jeans and my Converse. So let's see how it goes. Okay, y'all. So I went with the pink bodysuit. Yeah. And then I paired it with some high-waisted jeans. Cute. I'm just wearing my CDG Converse. She's buff. She's really buff. Now I'm about to do a little bit of makeup. I do not. Lately, I haven't been feeling like the full face thing. I'm finna just do a little light little something. I just been filling in my eyebrows. Somebody dog tripping. Filled in both. They don't have to be perfect because I'm about to clean them up. So don't be talking about me. And I'll just go in and line them up. Clean that shape up. And I go in with my sponge and blend it out. My bracelet's annoying, but it's okay. I don't know why my camera want to reheat when I want to vlog, but yeah, we're gonna go on with the show. So I'm not doing like a full face, but I'm using this primer, Milk Makeup. I love this primer, y'all. Sponsor me. Just on my cheeks for my blush. I probably shouldn't have used that much, but it just helps my blush stay on all day. But this primer is really good if you do like a full face. It really does grip the makeup. But as you can see, just put it on my cheeks because it's the only place I'll have makeup on. I'm going in with my Milani blush. And I love this blush. I did just start using it though, but I love it so far. And I'm using a foundation brush. It's Real Techniques. Just to apply it because it's cream blush. And I am gonna put a lot of it because why not? So I'll try to blend it out with my foundation brush first. And as you can see, I look like a clown right now. But then go on with your sponge and you blend it out some more. And I'm putting it like all around because I don't want it to look like a line, like how it looks right now. I want it to look like blush. But really, lately I've just been doing my eyebrows, blush, and then lip gloss. Let me get my lip gloss. So this is the lip gloss I'll be wearing. It's Morphe Glassified Lip Oil. I got it from Ulta. This is how my face came out. Y'all will see it like in a natural light for real. Right now I'm in my room. Now I'm about to charge my phone fully, charge my camera fully, and then I'm gonna order my Uber and be on my way there. So yeah. So I made it in. It's really chaotic, but it's lit. It's so many people here. I'm gonna see like what these dinner tables got. These are cute. Here you go. Huh? I said I'm gonna look and see what I see. Okay, y'all, so I just left, and that was so much fun. Like, they was lit. They was lit the entire time. The parties, they shutting it down, and they still lit. But my social battery ran out, even though I wasn't even being social. I was just chilling. But I was just ready to go. And then it was like, okay, we shutting it down. So I was like, okay. I'm finna go to the grocery store and get some stuff so I could cook dinner. So now I'm just waiting on my Uber. But yeah, Black on the Block was I had a lot of fun. It was my favorite experience here so far. I had fun. I'm just waiting on my Uber. And I think I'm gonna cook either some spaghetti or Alfredo. I haven't decided yet. Because I had some nasty Alfredo yesterday. And I still haven't recovered from it. So I'm waiting on like my appetite to kick in, see if I want spaghetti or Alfredo. Okay, y'all, so I made it in. My weekend is officially over. I forgot today was Sunday, but it's okay. Tomorrow's Monday. I don't have work, but I'm not vlogging tomorrow because I got nothing to do. And I'm probably just gonna stay in the house and chill. Probably edit this video actually, and probably post it tomorrow instead of vlogging tomorrow. So yeah, I'm in for the night. Got my strawberry peach juice. I cooked. I made some spaghetti. And yeah, that's it for this vlog. This is my first weekend vlog. I'm gonna try to do one every weekend, so y'all stay in tune with my life. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and be ready for the next